All right. Hey, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in to Young Money Investments. My name is Cameron Benyon, and today we are going to get into my 3 top stock choices for this upcoming week and what I have gotten into as of Friday, July 20th, 2018. So this week, guys, I'm going to do something a little bit different than what I've normally done on my Stock Pick Sunday. So today is Saturday. I got a little bit extra time, and that's kind of why I'm filming this way. Instead of doing one long video on the companies that I see value in and then also doing, the companies that I've been trading since last week, I'm going to jump into my 3 major plays that I'm in right now. I have several plays that I'm currently in, but there's 3 positions that I have just about over $30,000 in each of these. So it's a larger position that I'm currently trading in those. I am definitely taking a little bit more of a gamble, a little bit more of a risk, but these are companies that I see a lot of value in. I want to break down for y'all basically what I see in it when I got into these, what my thought process was, and a lot of these are, I guess, basically it's either due to the economic trade, I guess the trade issues, the trade wars that have been going on. One of them is going through this because of it missing earnings slightly, and then the other one had a pullback again because of an earnings issue. So these are companies that I see a lot of value in. I want to go through each of these, but I am going to, in this 3-part series, break down each one individually in individual videos. So this is going to be part 1 of a 3-part video series that I'll release here right now. So let's jump into the first one. So the first one that I actually want to get into is eBay. eBay, if you are familiar with it, let's actually minimize this down here. Drop that down. And then take a look at good old eBay. So eBay right now has had quite the sell-off as of recent. If you look up here as it was trending up, you will see almost a over 10% slide from its position only a couple days ago after it reported on earnings. I see a lot of value in eBay because of first off, it's a good company. It's dealing with online market sales where it's not dealing with a brick and mortar store. I see a lot of good long-term value in it. So I like the fact that even in this swing trade, I see long-term value in eBay. That's another thing that I see in this. The other thing I do see in eBay is the fact that it's oversold. I like getting into these multi-billion-dollar companies that are household names that have had this massive sell-off, and the RSI is down here at around a 30 RSI. These are some things that I look at in terms of what I look for in a company. Now, eBay, again, I want to kind of read this to you to help maybe solidify the reasons why I'm picking eBay. And we're gonna, let's see, pull this up here. My mouse is so glitchy. I can't even move it. Here we go. Oh, glitchy mouse, not working. Really don't know why this does this to me. It's super annoying. Logitech, garbage. So this is the thing with eBay. So Q2 earning reinforcing the value of eBay, of the eBay marketplace. So the volume admittedly has not been growing at the same rate as Amazon. That's very true. But the merchandise value, or GMV, grew 7% year over year to 23.6 billion, with the US up 5% year over year, and international business with eBay up over 7% year over year. This is mostly driven by strength in the core marketplace business, which continues to resonate with consumers. Another thing, let's see, I'm trying to see here. The one source of disappointment during the quarter was StubHub. GMV was up 5% year over year in spite of an easy competition. The rate remained flat at 22.7% of transaction value. That's in competition with SeatGeek and some other ones. That's a company that eBay owns. But I just in its core businesses, its core, I don't know. I'm just looking at the core business statistics of eBay right now, and I look at the PE of eBay as well. This is another reason that I'm looking at it as such a good buy right now. Is eBay is trading at a PE of, let's see here. It's not even giving me a PE right now, which is kind of gay. Um, yeah, I don't even know what the PE ratio is currently on it. But it's trading at a low PE for eBay. Another big reason is the chart patterns on eBay. So if you take a look at the chart pattern on eBay, this is where it gets into the technicals and where I see a lot of value in terms of what I like in eBay. So if you look at eBay, there is a nice little level of support kind of trending through here, right here at about 37.50-ish. You can see a nice little trend pattern where it was trading. You do see another level of support right here. As you can see, if you come all the way back right in here, there's some consolidation before it broke up and above, and as it's trended up into this area, reaching highs up here of 46.99, guys. That's a massive run up. That's like 20% from here. That's like 30% from down here. Huge gains. Huge. I mean, it might even be more, but huge opportunity on eBay. The thing I like about eBay, like I said, is that it really was not that off in terms of earnings. But if we're going off a technical analysis here, where has it touched this low before? Well, looks like back here on, is it going to tell me? Yeah, it won't actually tell me when this was. But if we're basing it off of that time frame as well, and you were to draw another level of support, you're going to see we touched it right again right here at about 33.93. Now, I was day trading eBay, and so this is a 180-day 4-hour candle chart. If we do the 1-day 1-minute chart analysis on this, you'll also look here and you'll see where it has started bottoming out right at this 34.12 mark. That was the absolute lowest that it was on the day. And it consolidated and kind of sold off here. It had highs of 34.91. Trading right now down here at about 34.16, 34, let me give you the exact number on eBay here, 34.15. So I see this as being a great trade. I'm curious to see what this will do on the gap up over the weekend here. But I decided to stay in this trade because of the fact that I do see a lot of potential in terms of where it can go from recovering right in here. 33.93, we're sitting here at 34.15. I do see, like I said, a nice little potential for a massive return on this. And so even if you do get in here, let's say you get in somewhere up here, if it does gap up and you're able to ride it up somewhere into this range, you're looking at a 7% profit. I will take that every single day. Now, will it maybe take a little bit of time to get up to that? Sure. But I plan on day trading this as well as swing trading it. But I see a lot of value in eBay. So that is pretty much my thesis on eBay. Like I said, RSI indicator is a massive part. MACD is very low as well. You can see where that massive stick of volume kind of came in. Volume has still been pretty consistent right now, and it has had a lot of consolidation. If we zoom in on this little section here, you're going to see these 4-hour candles. It's starting to consolidate down here. I would like to see, if I was buying in and not really just dip buying for the long term, I'd like to see buying off of this EMA. But I honestly and truly, guys, don't have any doubts or fears with my position in eBay. So that is basically what I'm seeing right now. I wanted to just kind of address that, let everybody know what I was trading, what I was getting into. And if you have any comments, if you have any thoughts on eBay, if you're bullish on eBay, leave your reasons why. If you're negative on eBay, let me know why as well. I really do, like I said, love the PE of eBay right now. Hey Siri, what is the PE of eBay right now?
I can't get the PE ratio for eBay.
Yeah, I don't know why the PE ratio is not showing up. But honestly and truly, eBay is a great pick right now. I might even add more into that position currently. So thanks so much for tuning into Young Money Investments, guys. I hope that you're having a great day. I hope you're crushing it in the stock market. There are a lot of good deals in the market right now. Toll Brothers is a great deal. FedEx is a great deal. eBay is a great deal right now. Skyworks Solutions is another great deal in terms of long term. I might even, let me just look at this really quick. SKW. I don't know why this came to mind. I don't know why I can't think of the ticker symbol. Let's see here. I got to try and find that really quick. Skyworks Solutions. I know it's one of my last ones that I have. SWKS is what it is. SKWS, it should be popping up here. SWKS. There we go. Massive slide coming up on support right here. Again, I like the dip play on this of where the RSI is on it. But anyway, you guys, that is, crap, did I actually show you my screen? That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Really quick, let me minimize this. Skyworks Solutions, if you notice right here, there is a nice level of support. Does definitely dip below this, so it's not a perfect solution or a perfect line. But it could still tumble a little bit more down here to this price point, but I do like that as a nice little dip buy, especially because of that percent return on that. Nice, 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 nice. Anyway, I'm going to go over my next two positions here in two more subsequent videos that I am going to film right now. This video is a little bit longer than I had anticipated, but I want to give you kind of a little recap of this one. This is one of my newest, most recent positions that I got into. I'm currently down about $200, maybe $200 or $300 roughly in it, in averaging down right now. So I do have a stop loss point, a mental stop loss. I don't have an actual stop loss placed on it, but I don't want you to trade things based on what I'm trading. I want to show you the reasons why I'm in a company, and not so much give you a buy and sell point in this company. So I'm just, like I said, trying to pass on the news, pass on the information, teach, preach, do good stuff, and help you all out in terms of learning how to trade a little bit more. So thank you very much for tuning into Young Money Investments. Any questions, comments, concerns, things that you want to share with the group here, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.